Hey, what's up guys? Today we're back with another Pokemon drawing tutorial, and this time I decided to draw one of the most popular Pokemon, Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur is a really cool Pokemon. So for this lesson you're going to need a Sharpie, or you can just use a pencil or whatever you have at home. So now let's go. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna draw the eyes, and the eyes are kind of like triangles. Let me show you. So you're going to do a really big curve like this. Please don't draw too big, because we're gonna draw his whole body out. And then here is another eye curve, and then come back like this. And then we're going to leave a gap starting from this point, and then another big curve, and then another big curve. So as you can see, this eye is pretty much bigger than this side. It's because he's looking towards this side. And then curve. And now we're going to draw the pupil. They'll kind of start off like this, and then one circle like this for the shine. And yeah, so the eyes are actually red. That's why I'm not filling it black. Anyways, before we do the spots, let's finish the whole body first. And then kind of like this for the head. And then kind of curve like this. So the jaw, it's kind of a big crazy curve. Because in Pokemon, if you have seen any Pokemon shows, you'll notice that the creatures are based on nature. This one's a plant, but except they kind of made it small, but the jaws are tremendously big. Anyways, let's continue. Before we draw the mouth, let's draw the ear. So Bulbasaur kind of has a cat ear looking, because most Pokemon kind of has like that. And then a big line for here, and this ear will be bigger. So curve like this. And if you want, you can shape the ears better. Okay, and then after that, let's draw the mouth. So one's kind of smile looking here, and then the same thing here. Now we're gonna draw the mouth, and we'll start off like this. And then nostrils. And then here's one line, because he's kind of like laughing, but in a different way. And now let's draw one small triangle. That's for teeth. And then another small triangle. And then one line here. So this is the tongue. And we're going to fill this out black. So I'm sorry if I made the teeth a little small due to coloring, but it's okay. Anyways, now let's kind of draw the legs. The legs. So Bulbasaur is kind of a dinosaur plant. If you've seen Bulbasaur, you'll see he has these like weird looking triceratops feet, which is actually kind of pretty cool. And then like this, same thing. So the continuous body here, and then like this, and then down like here, and then another sharp tooth looking here, and then kind of shaping here, and then here. And then after that, we're going to draw a back one here, and then here's continuation of the meat, and then one line here, then one continuation line here, and then teeth looking again here, one line, teeth looking again, small line, teeth looking again, and then here curving back, and then curving up here. So now let's draw the back, which is the plant looking. So the plant will be like this, and then here curve, lips looking, oh sorry about that, and then coming back here, and then we come back curving like this, and then one sharp here, and then curve back. So we pretty much almost finished Bulbasaur, but now let's draw the spots. So one big spot like this, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's pretty much how you draw Bulbasaurs, but we're not going to color. So the colors you're going to need are light green, dark green, and then red. You're then going to need pink. Actually, this is a dark pink, but it's normal. And then you're going to need peach. And also the last thing is you're going to, oh yes, so sorry about that. Anyways, we're going to use dark blue. And also turquoise. Or yeah, that's turquoise. So let's start with the eyes. So they're obviously red. You can just color in red. Oh, and also, by the way, I forgot you're going to need dark red. So, here's why. There's a dark red shadow here. And then another shadow here. And after that, you're going to need pink. You're going to color in this whole part pink. And then you're going to need peach. Like this. We're going to darken up that pink, but don't make it too dark. Okay, and then after that, we're going to use turquoise. And then oh, and also this is actually turquoise. We're going to need it for the plant. So one line like this and then curve. And then another curve like this. And then we color that in. Okay, and then the same thing here. Okay, and then after that, we're going to need our light green. and then fill this in. Okay, and then after that, we're going to use dark green. And then after that, we're going to use dark blue. And also, I forgot you need light blue. Let's start with dark blue and fill out these spots. Don't really fill in. These are just like the highlights. We're actually going to use some light and dark green. I'll show you in a minute once you finish these. Okay, and then as I was saying before, the green looks like this. You might have seen this before, but this is actually a blue and like green. This is actually perfect for the spots. You need this again. Okay, and after that, let's fill in these. And then maybe fill in here. Okay, and then after that, we're going to use light blue. And once you're done using these light blue, we're gonna use the dark blue for the shadows. Okay, now that you've finished light blue, now we're gonna use dark blue for the shadows. So you're going to color in this part. And then here, dark blue. And then here from the ear. And once you're done, there you have it. There you go, guys. There is how you draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And hope you guys enjoy and have a great day. And thank you guys so much for helping me do more boost and energy to do more videos with y'all subscribing. Anyways, have a great day, guys.